Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Aimuni Iwana Binti Jamil, metric number E21G0817. So today, I will explain briefly about life cycle of crickets. About a month ago, me and my team has captured few crickets to observe the life cycle of crickets. So, what is actually crickets? Cricket is the family of what is actually cricket? Cricket is the family of Grylidae and the order of Orthoptera. They are leaping insects that are widely distributed worldwide. They have thin antennae. They have hind legs that are used for jumping. They have three jointed tarsal segment. Tarsal is actually legs, and they produce chirping sounds, but only male produce this sound. Have you ever heard of this sound? This chirping sound is produced by the cricket actually rubbing a scraper that located at the forewings. Next, where are the source of the egg that we discovered? Actually, as I mentioned before, we capture few crickets randomly at the bushes, at the field that have the opposite gender, which is female and male. So we put them in a container and the mating process occur after the capturing took place. Then the female lay eggs, and the eggs took about 14 days or 2 weeks before it turns into nymph. If you look through the cricket eggs, the egg of crickets actually has a small oval shape, and it resembles the look of the green rice. The color of egg is actually close to white and yellow, but to be exact, or to be most likely, it is transparent. Next is the habitat of the cricket. Cricket actually inhabit various places. They are most likely to be found everywhere. However, these are some of the habitats that most likely to be found, which is forests, because they feed on grass, they feed on flowers, so it is easier to find them and to find the crickets in the forest. The forest also has woody, so it is easier for the crickets to hide from the predators. Next is grassland. Grassland is also one of the common habitat for cricket. And the next one is wetland. Cricket actually prefer a humid, damp place, so wetland is actually one of their preference of habitat. Next is the patterns of oviposition. Most female crickets insert their eggs into soil or parts of stem plants with their long and slender ovipositor that place behind their body, and sometimes this inserting of ovipositor inside the plant actually damaging the plant. The egg deposited singularly. However, the egg deposited singularly in our case. However, the cricket also can deposit their eggs by batches according to the situation. Depends on the situation. Next is ancillary structure. Ancillary structure of cricket is anchor. There are two ancillary structures of insects, which is anchor and float. However, for the cricket, the ancillary structure is anchor because cricket actually sinks in the water as they do not have gill structure like that name siphon. Siphon usually found in larvae of mosquito and other species. Next is the morphology. Cricket is a hemi-metabolic bolus as they does not have complete metamorphosis process. The complete metamorphosis process called holometabolism. They only have eggs, nymph, and adults. They skip the larvae process. So the morphology of immature nymph. Immature nymph size approximately about 1/8 inch in length. The nymph actually wingless. They does not have wings as the adult. Even though the nymph resembles the look of the adult cricket, after a few days, the nymph will begin molting. Molting is actually a process of insects that change its shape. So after 6 to 12 days of molting, after 6 to 12 times or 6 to 12 cycle of molting, the nymph will completely become full-grown adult cricket. The morphology of adult cricket. The color of adult cricket can be vary between black and brown in color. According to its species, it has large antenna and has wings, not like nymph. Nymph are wingless. And the size of the adult cricket is an inch long in length, and the chirping sounds is also made by the adult cricket, the adult male cricket. Okay, next is the feeding habits of cricket. Nymph can eat on anything. They have a large appetite, and it ranging from diameter, small insects, and also plant materials. Same as adult. Adult need a larger portion of food because of their need more energy, and they feed on seedlings, on flowers, on grains, on grasses, fruits, and also smaller insects, fungi that matter and others. This is the life cycle of the cricket, beginning from egg, immature nymph, and adult. That's all from me. Thank you.